Namaste, I'm Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are preparing vegan mocha frappuccino. This magnificent drink needs just 5 ingredients and can be done in a jiffy. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive regular updates from Food Atomic. So let's get started. Step number 1. Vegan whipped cream. I found this vegan cream in a local vegan store and it is a game changer. Attaching the hook to the stand mixer. I'm using a stand mixer to whip it. If you don't have the vegan cream, just use the coconut cream and some agave syrup or icing sugar and then whip it. It took me hardly 3 minutes to do this and the vegan whipped cream is done. Looks so good. Let's give it a taste test. It's so fluffy and delicious. You can use this whipped cream for numerous other recipes as well. Let's move to our step 2, melting the chocolate chips. I have taken around 125 grams of vegan chocolate chips. You can replace it with any vegan chocolate as well. Next, I am going to heat water in a big bowl and then place the chocolate bowl in it for the chocolate chips to melt slowly. I'm also adding a few drops of water so it can have a flowing consistency. We will use this melted chocolate for decorating the glass, adding to the frappuccino and jazzing up the frappuccino towards the end. This step is entirely optional, but if you want to bring your A game, you can decorate the glass to add that extra effect to the drink, especially when you're making it for someone else. They will be super impressed. So place the glass like this onto the chocolate bowl or take a spoon and drizzle the chocolate on the glass. I really hope you have better artistic skills than me. After seeing this, we can confirm that I have no future in the arts department for sure. Then place the glasses in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes for the chocolate to set. Step number 3. Coffee decoction. Heat water in a pan. Once it comes to a boil, add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder to it. You can also use the espresso pots you get in the market. Let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes and then switch off the heat and let it cool down. Step number 4, it's time to blend everything. Add 4 ice cubes to the blender, 3 tablespoons of vegan sugar of your choice, 2 teaspoons of melted chocolate or in my case semi-solid chocolate, 2 shot glasses of coffee decoction, that would be roughly around 5 to 6 tablespoons. Then add 1 glass of soy milk or any plant-based milk of your choice and blend everything. Pour the coffee drink into 2 glasses up to 90%. This right here is perfect already, but we are making it like a cafe style drink how you see it in Starbucks. So we need a few more extra steps. Then add the vegan whipped cream on it. I'm using a piping bag, but you can directly scoop it out and put it on top of the cold coffee. Trying to make a design, but this will do as well. Pour the melted chocolate on top of the whipped cream and again reflect my average artistic skills over here. No future there for sure. Great thing is that the melted chocolate is complementing the whipped cream, so my design skills can take a backseat here. The vegan mocha frappuccino is ready. I don't have to tell you how delicious this is, just look at it. It is more like a dessert for me than a drink. This is also perfect on those days you crave going out for a drink but can't. Stay at home and make this delicious drink for yourself and your loved ones. See how easy it is to prepare this at home. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.